You're not imagining things. Suzuki really just dropped a 1050 cubic centimeters RMZ, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're a longtime Suzuki rider or just motorcycle curious, this one deserves a closer look. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest machines so you know exactly what's worth your time. Design. The RMZ 1050 is a bold move from Suzuki, blending aggressive motocross DNA with the size and power of a leader-class machine. It's sharp, muscular, and unmistakably Suzuki, from the signature yellow and blue livery to the updated LED lighting and sleek bodywork. Everything feels tight, modern, and ready for action. Performance. Now let's talk about what makes this bike roar, the 1050 cubic centimeters engine. It's a torque-heavy beast, delivering low-end punch and smooth power across the rev range. This isn't just a dirt track bruiser, it's surprisingly balanced for trail and enduro riding too. The new frame and suspension geometry offer excellent control, and it handles like something half its size. Features and technology. Suzuki didn't skimp on the tech. Ride modes, traction control, launch assist, it's all here. The RMZ 1050 also features a lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable KYB suspension, and a crisp TFT display that keeps things simple and focused. Everything's been designed to enhance performance without overcomplicating the ride. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 the future of big bore motocross? It just might be. If you're as excited about this bike as we are, drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the newest rides hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.